How to download and install Jenkins in the Windows. You can, that is the main official website is Jenkins website is jenkins.io. It will be that one is the main official website in the Jenkins. Please enter. This one is the main website in the Jenkins. Go to downloads. Everyone go to downloads. It will be, yeah, see here under two options will be, it will be available here. One is the LTS means long term support, another one is weekly support. Here is we are recommended is long term support. You can scroll down, it will be downloads, it will be available. See here, one jar file will be there. You can choose in this jar file generic Java package long term support under. You can choose in this one downloading option. Just I was downloading here. See everyone, in my local system already downloading. See, it's already downloading. If you want, you can download also, no, not an issue. See left side under it will be downloading. You can, once it will be downloading, in this file it will be coming here, war file. It will be finishing, it will be showing into in this file here. After go to command prompt. See same, you can in this Jenkins war file, you can installation uh, same folder, you can path which folder, jar D folder, C folder, whatever it may be. Wherever Jenkins file you was downloading, you can move to same location. After you can move to same location, you can run in this jar file same path. See in this my system, my local machine under D drive installation folder. In this, see in this D drive installation, after installation folder inside Jenkins.file file, it will be available in my system. Once it will be coming to here, you can run that Jenkins war file, Java space hyphen jar jar space Jenkins dot war. This is the command. You can run in this command here, same location under wherever we was downloading to the war file. We can move to same folder, same location. After we can run in this command. See, just now I was downloading here. See, it's successfully downloading. See, go to scroll up. Yeah, see, one default password it will be generating here. See, one default big size of the password it will be generating. See here, C624. Yes, in this one coffee, by default it will be big size of the password, it will be generating first time. Copy in this, everyone here, copy in this password. See, one password it will be generating, copy in this password. After go to browser, external browser. Because of it's Jenkins, by default it will be starting on default port number 8080. Please http localhost 8080 path, you can give to path here. It will be coming Jenkins localhost colon 8080. Enter everyone here. It will be Jenkins path. It will be coming here. It's running. Yes, it will be. Please, it will be coming here. Please enter password. Paste here password. After continue, click on continue. Everyone click on continue. Never. See here customized Jenkins. Some by default some plugins will be available. You can select plugins to install. So install suggested plugins. You can choose suggested plugins because of its Jenkins. It will be by default it will be taking Git pipeline. Some by default it will be some plugins it will be taking. See, it will be by default. Once we are click on continue, it will be downloading here. Please wait some time. It will be downloading. Internally, it will be downloading all the plugins related to the Jenkins. See, it will be plugins. It will be running. Please wait some time. It's Jenkins up and running. Jenkins by default it will be running on port number 8080. If you want, you can override that port number also. How to override by default Jenkins override port number? I will tell you 1 minute. Once it will be completing here, I will tell you how to override by default port number if you want external port number. See here, right side, its plugins will be downloading. See right side, everyone. See, observe here, plugins it will be generating here, right side. By default, it will be generating automatically plugins. If you want any external plugins, you can also downloading. Once it will be finishing the by default plugins, you can choose external plugins also. See, still it's downloading. Yeah, it's asking first time username and password. Please enter your own as your own name. If you want username, please enter username. username Manikumar, and password. Choose your strong password. It's every time if you will working on Jenkins, it will be logging again. Choose your identify the password, username and password. Here, I will take username as a full name, my name. I will take here, not an issue. Email address, give anyone email, no, not an issue. After, see here, save and continue. Once done here, save and continue. Please click on save and continue. See here, we can choose external port number. By default, it will be running on Jenkins 8080 Tomcat server. Tomcat server also running 8080. If you want, you can choose external port number also, not an issue. But I will choose here 8080, not an issue. If you want, you can choose external port number. Here we can override external port number here. After save and finish. After start using Jenkins, it will be open. It's done. Jenkins installation is downloading and installation is done. If you want, based on the requirement, you can create here new jobs and everyone here. Go to dashboard, right side. Go to dashboard. Click on dashboard. Everyone here. Okay. New item. Click on new item. Okay. Create one job here. Identify the name, job name. It's Jenkins is running. It's working Jenkins. Thank you for the watching. Please subscribe to my channel. You can see in next session how to plugins, how to works on the Jenkins in the scenario.